Lesson 5, Stakeholder Engagement. In this lesson, we have these learning objectives. We'll talk about understanding Agile stakeholder engagement, the subdomains and tasks of this domain of stakeholder engagement, domain mapping for stakeholder engagement, that is, what are the tools and techniques and knowledge and skills for this domain. Next, we are going to see stakeholders and stakeholders engagement in Agile. Under this section or subsection, we are going to see concept of stakeholders in Agile, stakeholder classification model and varieties or various types of stakeholders, assessing and incorporating community and stakeholder values. Next, we are going to talk about Agile business case. We'll see Agile project chartering, and under it we'll cover Agile project charter and Agile team charter. After that, we'll talk about eliciting stakeholders' requirements. In it, we'll see Agile modeling, brainstorming, workshops or facilitated workshops, wireframes, user stories, personas, extreme personas. We'll talk about a number of innovation games, also known as collaboration games. Sometimes some organizations call it as collaboration workshop or innovation workshops. After that, we are going to see communicating with your stakeholders. In it, we'll see information radiators, two-way communication, and richness of communication channels. We'll see synchronous and asynchronous communication, knowledge sharing and written communication, explicit and tacit knowledge and what are the differences, social media communication, active listening, and levels of listening. Next, we'll see applying interpersonal skills with your stakeholders. Under it, we are going to discuss on conflict management, which is important, levels of conflict and conflict resolution, three-step intervention method, which is very specific to Agile approaches, emotional intelligence, negotiation, and participatory decision models. In the end, I have a set of final words, and only when you have completed the instructions as mentioned in the final words, you can say you have completed this lesson of stakeholder engagement in a proper way.